It's so good to see you again. Someone's knocking at the door.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes moo? It's Lola the cow!
Hooray! Hello, Lola the cow!
The cow gives us milk, butter and cream. The cow gives us yogurt.
They're knocking again.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes ba? It's the sheep!
Hello, sheep!
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago when we went to have some fun.
Who could it be now?
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes quack, quack? It is the duck!
Hooray! Hello, duck!
Duck in the water, 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 has no shoes, no shoes, no shoes. Duck in the water, 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 needs a bath.
It looks like we have a lot of visitors today.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes oink? Look, everyone, it's Miss Piggy!
Hooray! Hello, Miss
Miss
Piggy!
Miss Piggy went out for a walk all over the farm, and she started to sing.
Oink, 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 oink.
Well done, kids!
Yeah!
There's a lot of animals.
Goodbye!